Hello friends, welcome to Sql Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use while loop in SQL Server script. In the last video, we learned about the if-else constructor to make a decisional flow. Now we will look into while loop. So the while loop is useful to execute a set of statements repeatedly. Conditional expression specified in while may evaluate to true or false. Just like a if statement, here also you have to use the conditional expression, and the outcome of this conditional expression can be true or false. So you will actually specify a Boolean expression, and the Boolean expression will evaluate to true or false. Here, if you see, we declare a variable called counter. Type is integer and it stores 0 here. And here we form a expression using the while statement, and this is the conditional expression. So this conditional expression will either return true or it will return false. And if you see, the counter is 0. So when you check 0 less than 11, so 0 is actually less than 7, so it returns true. So likewise, the conditional expression will evaluate to true or false based on this Boolean expression. You can use any Boolean operator, equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So you can use, just like other programming language, you can use the operator for evaluating the expression, Boolean expression I mean. Statements in while body will executed till the condition evaluates to true. So the body will get executed repeatedly. Say for example, here we have two statements. So this is a set statement for the variable. Here we have a print statement. There are two statements, and this one is our loop body. So when the condition evaluates to true, we will enter from here to the first statement. Then we will execute the first statement. After that, we will return to the second statement, and after executing the final statement, we will go back to this conditional expression again. So if it is a if statement, it will jump here and go to the next statement, but since this is a loop, we will go back to evaluate this expression once again. So till the condition evaluates to true, we will enter inside the body. But if it evaluates to false, we will come out of this loop. So when condition evaluates to false, we will come out of this loop. It will evaluate to false when counter value is 11. So the time when we check 11 less than 11, the condition will return false, and since it returns false, we will come out. And inside the body, if you see, we are incrementing the counter. So counter will go from 0, 1, 2, likewise it will keep on increment, and it contains the value. Here we are setting the counter, right? Counter is initially 0. So when counter is 11, the time here we will check 11 less than 11, it will return false, and we will come out. So we will come out of loop when the expression returns false. So that's what we saw here, and we know when it will return false because the variable is keep on incrementing. When it reaches 11, the expression here will return false, we will come out. Alright, now let's go to the demo. Okay, now here if you see we declared a variable as we already saw in the slide. Here we are having a conditional statement, and the conditional statement will be false because the counter is 0 initially. 0 less than, the conditional statement will evaluate to true. Counter 0, 0 less than 11, true. So we will enter inside. So as part of the first statement, we are incrementing the counter. Counter will be 1, 1 less than 11, 12. 1 less than 11, which will return true. We will come inside the body. We will execute this once again. Counter will hold a value of 2. Likewise, we will keep on entering the loop and incrementing the counter. At one stage, this counter will read a value of 11 and 11 less than 11, so that is false. We will come out. So that means here in the print statement, we will be printing the value in counter. We are casting the counter to varchar and appending that to the string. So we will be seeing value in counter 1, 2, 3 like that up to 10. Because 11th time we will come out. Alright, now we will execute it, and you can see value in counter, and yeah, you will see 11 also, because when value is 10 here, the condition will evaluate to true. We will come here, we will increment the counter, so counter value goes to 11 and we print that content. Counter value is 11. Then we will come here, and when we check the counter, 11 less than 11, false, so we will come out. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.